Hey guys, it's Brian back again. Today's topic here with Hostirian is what is online presence, okay? So, online presence. This conversation came up because I was talking to a guy and we were, going down this route trying to figure out what we can do to help his online presence. I'm asking him about his struggles, okay? And he says, well, I'm struggling with my social media. I'm like, great. What's going on with your social media? And after further talking, the actual struggle he was having was not his social media. The struggle he was having is with his online listings and get his name accurate across all the platforms where he has his name at, right? So it wasn't social media at all. So it became very clear to me that some people have a misunderstanding on what your online presence is, okay? Social media is a part of it, but it's not all of it. Okay, so there are 4 pillars to your online presence. Pillar number 1, and these are not in any particular order at all, okay? So pillar number 1 is your website. Your website is a big part of your online presence as a pillar because it's the one definitive spot where information about your business is at. Okay, so if anyone's looking for something about your business, the very first place that you want to have that information is your website. All right. And obviously there's tips and tricks to picking the web domain to make sure it works for your business and your service or your product. But you need to have a website. Okay, that's number 1. Pillar number 2 is your online directories. You want as many online directories as possible. What this will do for you is allow you the opportunity to have your name sprinkled out online for people to find you. What it'll do is definitely help you with your local SEO. It'll help drive people to your website because you can list things like your business name, you can list things like your phone number, right? Your website, your business hours, things like that so people can find you. So obviously you want that everywhere, okay? So your pillar number 3 will be your social media. So as I was saying before, social media is a part of it, but it's not all of it. It's just one part. All right. So with your social media, you obviously want to be in the big ones, right? So you have to be on Facebook. I mean, Facebook is the biggest community in the world nowadays. So that's a must. Twitter's a great spot to be on because a lot of people are there. LinkedIn, YouTube, things like that. But obviously there are a ton of other social media platforms. So based upon whatever industry you're in, your clientele, you need to be where your clients are. They expect to see you online, so you got to be there. You got to be there for them to find you, okay? So pillar number 4. Your 4th pillar will be your online reviews. Now, online reviews are crazy important because nowadays the journey that the customers take lead them directly to your website for one, but then they go read up on you and research. They want to know how people's expectations matched what actually happened when they use your product or use your service. So reviews tell that story. A review is like a word of mouth captured in time, right? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You can always refer back to it. It gives you an opportunity to humanize yourself at the same time because you can, if you made a mistake, you can clean it up and be a person, which, never happens or rarely happens. But if you are that person that does that, that's awesome, right? That's going to make more people want to do business with you if you own your mistake and then you clean it up, right? So each one of these pillars are wildly important because they all do something different for you. But if you put them all together, what happens is that you have your online presence intact. The foundation is set. Now, if those things are taken care of, you're going to see more visibility online. You're going to increase your SEO rankings. What you're going to also find out is that if you're doing any type of marketing and advertising, now those will work better. Because now Google and Yahoo and Bing and all these different search engines, they will see you as an accurate business owner. They will see you as a responsive business owner. They will see you as a relevant business owner. So when people are typing in whatever they type in that search bar to find you, now you get found, right? So that's the whole point. Control your online presence, okay? So that's a really short, deep dive, a short, really conversation about what your online presence is. Obviously, I can go into very much detail about it, but if you have questions about it, comment below or just jump on my calendar. But my gift here for you today, guys, will be a trial run at your personal success center. Okay, this is Success Center Express. This is your trial version of managing each 4 of those parts of your online presence. Okay, once you get a hold of this, the game just changes, because what happens is you open your virtual door. Get your virtual door open today. Click the link, get on my calendar. I'll teach you how to use these tools and get your online presence just blowing up. All right. See you guys soon.